This is a brand new 2014 GMC Yukon. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, 3-zone automatic climate control, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a rear seat DVD entertainment center, roof rails, cruise control, interior wood trim accents, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, steering wheel mounted controls, external temperature display, a rear parking aid, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.